take over the Iowa Senate. In 60 days, we are going to take over the United States Senate. In 60 days, Congressman King is going to win an election, and in 60 days, Mitt Romney will be our next president. For 4 long years, I've been in the Iowa Senate, and I've been in the minority. I've been in the minority, and I saw a lot of bills come through, and the only thing I could do is try to stop them or try to block them because there was a lot of poor legislation, a lot of poor policy. But that is going to change. That is going to change as of January 1st when the Senate is in the majority with the Republicans. We are going to make a difference. We are going to pass income tax reduction. We are going to pass commercial property tax reduction so our businesses can grow. We are going to make sure we define what marriage is. We're going to make sure our farmers don't see EPA and DNR tell them to get off their back. All right? We're going to make sure we have true education reform, not just rhetoric. We're also going to make sure that our taxpayer money is not going to be funding abortions, and we're going to stop abortions in this state. For all the kids out there, all you students, for the different colleges, from this great college, I want to tell you something. When you graduate from this college, I'll guarantee you, under Mitt Romney, you will have a job